Let me show you how you can use GoalSeek to solve for a target value of something. So in this case, I'm going to be aiming for a target value for profit. And I've given you an example here. I have fixed cost of $100,000. I have variable cost per unit of $8. I have a price of $17.50 that I'm charging. So the profit is going to be equal to the revenue minus the total variable cost minus the fixed cost. And the total variable cost is going to be equal to the variable cost per unit times the number of units we sell. The revenue is going to be equal to the price times the number of units we sell. And substituting these two into this equation, we get the profit equals P times Q minus the variable cost per unit times Q minus fixed cost. So let's put in the profit equation here. So we're going to have price times quantity. We don't have any quantity in there yet. Minus variable cost per unit times the number of units we produce minus the fixed cost. So if we put that in, we start 100,000 in the hole because we haven't produced anything yet. So we could actually solve this algebraically, but if you had a more complicated problem, GoalSeek might be rather useful. So you click on the Data tab here and you see What If, and if you click on What If, GoalSeek is one of the choices. So we want to set the cell. The cell here is D7. That's our value. We want to set it to a value. So let's just say we'd like to earn 75,000 in profit. So I'm going to put that in. And we have to tell it what we want to change. We want to change the value here, which is Q. Let's click OK. It goes through it. It says we need to produce 18,421, fractionally more than that, units to earn 75,000. Let's see if that's correct. All right, if we put in our profit equation, so we put in equals the price times the amount we produce minus the variable cost times the amount we produce minus this fixed cost, we hopefully should get 75,000. And in fact, we do. So GoalSeek is a rather nice way to be able to solve for some function here for a target level, in this case a target level of profit.